I don't know if you guys missed me, but I'm back. Sorry for the delay. It's been probably about half a year of not posting on Goddard Adventure, and we've just been really busy. We've got soccer. I do soccer coaching with the boys and all kinds of other shenanigans. But I'm back now. I'm about to start working hard to get through the backlog of Overland South and all-wheel drive festival footage. Goddard Adventure, the channel, is going to be dedicated to our adventures. We want to build an audience that likes to see adventure content. So our reviews and repairs and all that content's going to go over to our Goddard Garage channel. We're at 700-ish subscribers now, so if you could check that out, help get us over that magic number of 1,000 subscribers. As you can see, we've got a little channel announcement, which is that we picked up another vehicle, and it puts me in a unique position of having some old guard and new guard Hondas behind me. So what questions, what videos would you like to see answered over on the Goddard Garage channel? Definitely about to do an announcement for the Civic on that channel, but we are due for some walk around videos of the lifted Pilot, lifted Passport, and I'm planning to show off some good mods and whatnot for the Civic, as well as some comparison information. So let me know what you'd like to see if you could help me out subscribing over there, and I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next adventure. Aaron out.